Do you intend to create a private post in your WordPress blog or your WordPress website? You need to understand that a private post is actually a post that is not visible to your website users or to your website visitors. So this post can only be seen by your website administrators. So now a private post in WordPress is actually not visible, but it doesn't mean that as a website owner you won't be able to see that post. You can only see that post when you are logged in into your WordPress dashboard. So WordPress actually comes with this built-in user role system, which allows user to easily assign roles to different users on their website. So any user who has the permission to actually publish a post can write a private post and even publish it. So after publishing the post as a private post, the post will only be visible to the user and other users too, based on their particular role in the website. So now in this video you are going to learn how to create a private post or private pages in WordPress. So how to easily create a private post in WordPress. So the first thing you need to do is to create a new post or a new page. So now we are going to be going to my dashboard section right now to get this thing done. So this is the dashboard, this is the login section of my website. So I want to log in now so you guys can see how this thing is done. So once you are at this very place, this is the dashboard of my website. The next thing you need to do now is to go to the post section. So if you have an existing post that you want to edit to become a private post, just have to click on all posts, and this will bring out all the posts in your website. But if you want to create a new post and make it private, you have to click on the add new post here, which you can see right at the top of the screen. Let me highlight it. So you have to click on this add new. So this will actually bring out the page where you can add a new post and then decide to either publish it as private or as public. So now if you have an existing post that you want to edit, you click on the edit button under the post. So now we have to wait for the page to load. So guys, we have to wait for it to load. It seems the network is a bit slow. Alright, so like I said, if you have any existing post that you want to edit and change to private post, you just have to pick one of the posts or the particular post on the post section. But if you want to create a new post from scratch and you want to edit it and make it private, so you just have to click on the add new post button, which is at the top of the screen here. As you can see, I just highlighted it. So this is the particular button that you're going to click on if you want to create a new post and make it private. But if you have existing posts already in your website and you want to pick one of them to edit and make private, you just have to look for the particular post that you would like to edit and then click on edit. So once the page finished loading, you are going to go to the right corner of the screen. This is where you will find the publish button. So this section here, you will see edit close to the published button. So now what you have to do now is to click on edit, and then you choose how you want it to be. Is it publish, pending draft, pending review, or draft? But now we are focusing more on visibility here because we want to make the post private. So you can see that there are so many options here, like public, password protected, and of course private. So once you click on private, the next thing you have to click on is OK. So after clicking on OK, then you have to update the post. So when you click on update, this will automatically make the post private. So this literally means that users that come to your website won't be able to see this post. So this post won't be visible to them. But this does not affect your administrators, so they can see the post when they are logged into your dashboard too. So after doing that, you have to click on update, and this will update the settings. So you can see that this post has successfully been turned to private. So you can decide to re-edit it and make it public if you want to. It's still the same process. You have to click on the edit button, and then you click on public, then you click on OK. So after doing that, you have to update the post so that the changes can be updated. So click on update, and this will automatically update the post. You can see now it says visibility public. So guys, that's basically how you can easily create a private post in WordPress.